Which country is home to the highest waterfall in the world? Venezuela is home to Angel Falls, the highest waterfall in the world, with a staggering height of 979 meters, 3,212 feet. Located in Canaima National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Angel Falls plunges from the top of Auyan Tepuy, one of the region's famous tabletop mountains. The waterfall is named after Jimmy Angel, an American aviator who brought it to international attention in 1933. Surrounded by lush rainforest and stunning scenery, Angel Falls is one of Venezuela's most iconic natural wonders and a top destination for adventurous travelers.